Robinhood was best known for robbing from the rich and giving back to the poor, and the Robinhood app that millennials know well is following a similar pattern. With retail investors having to pay in excess of £10 per trade, whilst banks and financial institutions pay a fraction of a penny, it was time for Robinhood to earn his stripes again. As Robinhood gets set to launch in the UK, it plans to challenge the status quo by offering commission-free trading to retail investors. But what is Robinhood, and how has it changed investing? Here's how it happened. Robinhood was founded in April 2013 by Vladimir Tenev and Baiju Bhatt, with a mission to provide everyone with access to the financial markets, not just the wealthy. Robinhood wasn't their first business venture, as after the pair met at Stanford University, they founded Celeris and Kronos Research, where they built and sold their high-frequency trading platforms to banks and hedge funds. Tenev saw that executing a trade cost brokerages fractions of a penny, but they typically charged fees in excess of $10 a trade, and noticed that there was a gap in the market where they could offer commission-free investing, and they would encourage investors to stop paying the unnecessary $10 fee. Robinhood was then born in 2013 and officially launched in March of 2015. Once the company had launched, around 80% of users were millennials, with few ties to larger, more established brokers. The company even came up with a clever marketing campaign to encourage early access. Once signed up to the waiting list, potential new users could see their rank in the line, and they could move upwards if they helped to sign up their friends. This then made Robinhood accessible to the most excited customers first, and their waiting list reached 1 million people before the app was finally released. With the help of push notifications, the app engages more with the social media focused audience, who check the app upwards of 10 times a day. With a growing number of users with more than 10 million people signed up today, the firm offers huge savings. But how does a trading company that charges no commission actually make money? The Robinhood Gold membership offers users enhanced features in a freemium business model, including Morningstar reports as well as margin trading using leverage for $5 a month. A large chunk of their revenue comes from rebates from market makers and trading venues, where they essentially get paid for directing trades to certain parties for execution. This, coupled with income from cash and stock loans, the company now demands a high valuation, raising $280 million in their latest fundraising round in May of 2020, valuing the firm at $8.3 billion. Despite their successful market disruption, Robinhood has not managed to escape controversy. Their payment for order flow, or rebates from market makers and trading venues as they call it, meant that the trades were offered to market makers who paid money, rather than finding the best price for the customer. This led to the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority fining the firm $1.25 million in December of 2019. Then, in March 2020, their platform had a total outage, meaning investors could not buy or sell stocks and shares. In November 2019, an issue with the software meant that Robinhood Gold members could borrow infinite money. This loophole was known by Wall Street Bets, a popular subreddit, as the free money glitch. Finally, in June 2020, Alexander Cairns died of suicide after placing leveraged trades which saw his account balance fall to minus $730,000. He left a note on his computer asking how was a 20-year-old with no income able to get assigned almost $1 million worth of leverage. As far as Robinhood and its founders are concerned, they believe that as a company they are giving people that don't have a lot of money the ability to get started, and that participation is power. If they can break free from controversy, it's possible that they will change investing forever. And that's how it happened. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you'd like to see next by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching.